Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you my choreography to Ain't Giving Up. Let's get into it.
Ain't giving up on you. Ain't giving up on you. Ain't giving up on you. Ain't giving up on you.
Back so you guys can follow along with me. This is my right, this is my left. Let's get started. So you're gonna hear on 7, 8, you're gonna be stepping forward, left foot, bringing that right knee up, and it says ain't giving up. I'm going ain't giving up. Cool? So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Driving that right knee up, we're gonna go into 2 running man, 1 and 2 and this is kind of to the left diagonal. 1 and 2 and my right knee is up. I'm gonna do a gallop to the left. 3 and 4 and bringing that knee up. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on that 3 and 4, I'm taking my left arm and I'm kind of pushing away from me. So I have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Driving that knee up on and we're doing a little step down and then lunge. It's gonna look like this, 5 and 6. So I want you to drop that front foot, but give me kind of like a little open, and then we're gonna drop that knee and we're gonna do more of a lunge. Different variations of running man. I want the texture to be 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and stomp and switch. Switch as in slide down. Cool? From the top, and then we'll finish the 8. We have 5, 6, ain't giving, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. On 7 and 8, I'm going to be doing 2 running man. I want your energy to push back, and I want you to reach left, right, opposite arm. It's going to go and 7 and 8. On 8, stay in that deep lunge. We're going to be pushing off of that left foot to be going 1 and 2. Cool? From the top, we have 5, 6, ain't giving, running man, gallop, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Remember, you guys can rewind the video at any point, go over anything. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the second 8 count, but if you still wanna work on that first one, back it up a little bit and then meet me here. So I just came down 8. I really want to think about plieing through this left knee because this plie here is going to be what's going to get me up. I want you guys to just plie in this left leg and just give me a hop to the back. Let's do it 3 times. We have 8, 1, 7, 8, 1. Notice how you're pushing out of the ground, out of that knee. 8, 1. Cool. Now we're going to bring that chest to the front. 8, I'm landing onto my right foot to come plie. So this is 7, 8, I'm going 1 and 2. Also my arms swinging up is helping me. 1 and 2. This is your prep for either a single or double coupe turn to go 3, 4 or 3, 4. Let's talk about that pirouette. So in order to get around twice or even once, you want to think about your spot. Your spot is when your head comes all the way around. Your body's going to follow wherever that head is spotting to. So try to focus on staring at something, whipping your head around, and then bringing your body around afterwards. Second most important thing is going to be that plie into the ground. So my prep is on 1, 2, plieing down to come up, 3, 4. Cool? Other thing, releve through that toe. If you're wearing sneakers, which I do a lot, really think about that releve, pushing through the ball of your foot, as well as keeping your core tight, your shoulders over your hips, and that head coming around. From 3, 4, we're gonna kick into a T-step. This is like this little kick T-step move I love. Right? Stepping onto it like a kickball change. Instead of hopping into that left foot, I'm gonna T-step, pull that knee up. So out of my turn, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and. Finishing this out, I'm bringing this left foot out to a double X out to the left or Polly Pocket, whatever you know it as. 7, weight into that front foot, driving that back knee up. 8, and. Cool? So let's go from 7, 8, 5, 6, these running men go. 7, 8, we have 1 and 2, double or single 3, 4, 5 and 6, and 7, 8, and. Bringing that knee up. Cool? Let's connect it all the way from the top. Good job, guys. We have Aint giving 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and running man, running man, running. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, and. Cool. So extending through that 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, and. Good job, guys. Okay, from here, 2 more 8 counts left. You're doing amazing. Bum, bum, and we are gonna do X out right, X out left. It's gonna go 1 and 2. Listen to me here. We're gonna hop and 3. A little stutter step is really important because it's gonna put you on the right foot for the next part. The pump here, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3. From this down, I'm bringing that left foot up, left knee up, and I'm gonna be kicking this foot out, bringing that knee around. Every time I transition, I want you guys to keep that essence and that bounce going. And 3, and hop, hop, bum, bum, hop, hop. Notice how my feet never stop hopping. That's gonna really help you. Let's go from 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and forward like a little half swing forward. And then we're gonna be setting up parallel here to go T step, T step. So my legs are going bum, bum, around, and let's just practice going T step from there. Notice how I have to set up parallel here in order to drive that heel in to go T step, 7 and 8. The only difference between this and what we're doing is we're going ha-ha, we're going cow, tail, swing to the front. So my T-step looks like this, cow, tail, swing around. Driving that knee up to give me one more ball change kick there. Cool? So let's go from 1, 2, and 8. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and cow, tail, swing up. Finishing this out, we're gonna be hopping, woo, 1 and 2. And that is the end of the footwork. So let's walk it all the way back from the top, connecting, and then I'll give you guys the ending, and then we'll run it all together. Bringing that left foot forward, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and running, then running. 1 and 2, 3, 4, kick, 5 and 6 and 7 and new pump. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and knee up. 1 and 2. Cool? Finishing out that end, we just went 1 and 2. I'm gonna bring my right leg out, tucking my left, and I'm gonna think about sitting to this right wall. So from here, I went 1 and 2 and 3, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So I want you guys to roll it around, reach 7, down 8, and 1. And that's the end. Let's add it all together. So we have 5, 6, and giving 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, kick, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Let's try with music. You guys got it. This is the song. I've been playing it from around 1:35. I'll count you guys in. Have fun with it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Really good job, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what dance of mine or move you want to practice together next, and tag me in your videos if you try this. Remember that learning choreography is all about practicing, really training that muscle in your body, and muscle memory is everything. So work slow, go chunk by chunk, and let me know how you guys like it.